In this video, I'm going to show you array in C#. So ARRAY array in C#. So we have already seen the variables, data types in C#. So if I want to make the variable in C#, I can make the variable int a is equals to 5. And this is the a is the variable, int is the data type, and 5 is my data. So if I want to store the more than one value, then what I can do? Then I can make the variable int b is equals to 6. But if I want to store, the 1 to 10, or you can say 1 to 5, then I have to create the variable as int c is equals to 1, and d is equals to 2, e is equals to 3, and likewise. But in array, we can collect the data, similar types of data, more than one. So how we can create array? So simply, we can create the variable as int is equals to 5. Likewise, we can only store the value of integer in the a variable. And if I want to store the string type data, then we can just create the data type as string. And if I want to store the data as double, then we have to create the data type as double. Likewise, in array also, we cannot store all these types of data into one array. If I want to make the array of integer type, then I can create the array of integer type by initiating int. And you have to give the square braces. And we have to give the array variable names like arr, s, or whatever. You can give the name. And is equals to, you can simply assign the value here, like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can store the more than whatever value you want. And in this way, you can create the array. And if I want to know the value of, and one important thing in array, the array index will start from the 0. And so if I want to know the index of 0, then this is the 1. This is the 0 index, this is 1 index, this is 2 index, this is 3 and 4 index. And we have up to 4 index and we have 5 values. And if I want to know the index of 0, then I can just type the CW. And if I don't know the value of index 0 values, 0 index values, then type the variable name as array and give the square braces and just simply give the index name, index value 0. And if I run this code by pressing the Ctrl F5, then now this code is running and you can see the output. So wait just a moment, this is running and now you can see 1. This means 1 is the value in the 0 index. And likewise, if I want to know the value in the 3 index, 3rd index, it means this is 1 index, 2 index, 3 index and 4th index. In 4th index, we have 4 value. Sorry, in 3rd index, we have 4th value. So if I want to run this, if I run this code, then you can see 4 values here in the 3rd index. So also we can replace the index value. Likewise, if I want to replace any values, then give the variable name, the square braces. And if I want to replace 1 into 0, then simply type the 0 index is equals to 1. If I want to assign the value into 1. And if I type CW and again, I want to know the value of 0 index. 0 index, and if I run by pressing Ctrl F5, then you can see the output as 4 and 1. 1 means now we are replacing the 0 index value into 1. But already there is a 1 value, so I just want to replace into 10. So if I again run this code, and you can see the output as 10, 4, 4 and 10. So 10, we can, in this way, we can replace the array value. And if I want to know the length of the index, then simply I can do the arrs.length. Length function is already predefined in arr. This is variable names, and in array, length is already defined function. So if I run this code, and this is 5 is the length of the array. And this is one way to create the array. You can make the array and you can make the fixed size array, or you can make the array of the string type. If you want to make the array of string type, then simply assign the data type as string and square braces int arr is equals to, you can now assign the value as the string as Ram, Sam. This is my string, and whatever string you can write and just give the semicolon at last. So in this way, you can create the string data type, double data type, int type, boolean type, whatever you want. And the one important thing is we can create array in different ways. Like we can create array using the, I'm gonna show you, int square braces and arrs 1 is equals to new and int and you can assign the value as is assign the length of the index. I'm assigning the 4 as a fixed index value 4. And also we can create the array without, we can create the array, we can assign the value at the same times, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also another way to create the array. We have to change the variable name. I'm changing it into the variable 2 and give this semicolon. And also we can create the array, control D, it will copy and paste code into the next line. So I'm creating the another variable name and new info, and I'm not assigning the length of the array, I'm just giving the value. So in this way, this is the different way to create an array in C#. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Thank you.